In this video, we will see how to use Adobe Scan app to scan your documents and assignments. Go to the Play Store and download Adobe Scan. Now when you open the scanner, you will see that one camera screen pops up. So keep your document flat on a table or on floor in proper light and make sure that there is no shadows on the screen or on the sheet which you are using for scan. Now when you continue taking the photograph, then you will see blue lines pop up. So these blue lines are the outlines which you can use to crop the document which you need to scan. Take a new sheet and then place on the same place. Now again click the center button. All these files are saved on the right bottom corner, you can see. Now once you have scanned all the sheets in the document, then you can click on the right bottom square button on which you can see numbers written 1, 2, 3, 4. That denotes the number of pages you have scanned. Now open that and then you will see the options on the bottom panel, right? From there you can add page, you can reorder, you can crop, you can rotate, you can color. Now coming to the color. In this app, by default, auto color is selected for all the pages. So you go to original, select the original, select apply to all pages and then proceed. Now you can change the name of your file, save it by your name and the subject name, and then you can save the PDF. So now you can see that the device is saving the file, but all these files are being saved in cloud. So in order to save it on your device, you select the option under the more section and there you will find copy to device or save to device. From there you can save the file to your mobile phones. If you want to transfer your file, you can directly go to share and from there you can either WhatsApp or email, or you can share your file through various apps.